how's everyone doing? Oh, there's a horse. Let's go nice and slow. We don't want to scare the horsey. Clippity cloppity, clippity clop. The weather's quite good. It's the 15th of December, so should be quite cold by now. So I thought what I'll do is do a Norfolk coastal drone shot. It's only about 20 minutes from me with no traffic. It goes all the way around to Great Yarmouth. I'm not going to go that far, but maybe do a bit of Old Stanton, and there's Thornham, round to Brancaster Stave, sort of all the way around there. So that's where we're off to. Hopefully, I mean, here where I am is near on no wind. Hopefully down by the coast and down by the cliff edge of Old Stanton, it's not too windy for the drone. But we'll find out when we get there. If it's a wasted trip, then, well, I'll just get to see the seaside today. I hadn't filmed for a couple of weeks because I've been so ill. That's my mum and dad, just wave to them on the way past. I haven't filmed for a couple of weeks because I had a virus in my, I don't know, some virus. God, have I been rough. Trying to catch up with a video, really. 28th of December, we're going on a Christmas ride, maybe Chicksands or Twisted Oaks. There's some new lines at Chicksands I've not hit yet. We don't go there very often. So maybe Chicksands would be quite a fun one. So I've come to this area. The only thing that I'm worried about is all the birds. There's just birds everywhere. But this is definitely a spot that I wanted to get drone footage of. So we're going to do a quick flight, really quick flight, nice and low to try and avoid the birds. And then we're going to move on to the next spot. I'm going to drive further around the coast, see what else I can find. I've had to just stop here because it looks like there's going to be a nice shot of St Margaret's Church in Burnham Overy Stave over there. And then just in front of me there is Burnham Overy Windmill. So I can get both of them from here. There's no flight restrictions. Again, I've checked. Just moved closer to get the windmill. Looks like it's got getting a bit of work done to it. It's got a bit of scaffolding and Harris fencing around the bottom, so looks like they're doing a thing up. Such a lovely day today. I'm not even in a coat anymore. I absolutely love filming stuff like this. Just appreciating the area I live in. What a great way to spend a Sunday afternoon. It's just so good to get out, see the boats, see the birds. Everyone's been happy to see the drone fly about. No one's had an issue. It's always a worry because some people just go crazy about drones for some reason. But not today. Everyone was smiling, happy, on their walks, with their dogs, with their hot coffee, just enjoying the scenery just like I was. If you want to see more of this stuff, I can go even further around the coast. We've got Sheringham, Cromer, Great Yarmouth. It's a little bit far away from me, but I mean, if you like watching this sort of stuff, I can go that far. I'm now going to head home and start editing the video, putting some bits together, and then it's Sunday night football. So going over a mate's to watch NFL, have a bit of lasagna. I'm a Chiefs fan, so we're doing pretty well. I think we're 12-1. Could be wrong. I've got a Seahawks fan, a Giants fan, Vikings fan, 49ers fan, Cowboys fan. Yeah, there's a massive group of us around this area that love a bit of NFL. So, Super Bowl night is going to be pretty good. We'll get round someone's house and have a big party. Hopefully the Chiefs are in it again for the three-peat. But I mean, what's the chances of that happening? I don't know. The Detroit Lions are looking savage this year. They're looking hungry. I reckon it could be them. Maybe who else is doing well? Vikings are doing well. I think they're 10-2. Yeah, could be anyone's ring this year.